Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to report a bug in Jira, one of the most widely used issue tracking tools in the software world. So the first step is to log in Jira. Now, second one, you will land on the dashboard or your recent project view. The second step is to select the correct project. On the left hand side, here you can see the list of projects. You have to select the project where work is occurred. So, by once you are in the correct project, look for the create button at the top of your screen. Here you can see the create button. By click on that, you can change the here you have to give the issue type. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to report a bug in Jira, one of the most widely used issue tracking tools in the software world. So the first step is to log in Jira. You will land on the dashboard or your recent project view. Select the correct project where your bug was found. This helps your team to know exact where the issue occurred. Mhm. Once you are inside the correct project, look at the right side to the create button. By click on that, this opens the creation issue creation form. You have to choose issue type as bug. By click on that, here you can see the bug found. This will tell Jira and your teammates that the issue you are reporting is a problem that needs fixing. Now, the second step is to fill details in the key fields. So, first is summary. Give a short and clear title for the work. For example, I'm writing login is not responding. After that, the next is to fill description. You can skip this also, and then you will see there are assign priority parent. You can skip this because these are not required. uh, and at last click on the create button at the bottom, and your work was loaded into Jira. And that as you can see here, your work is loaded. So, and that's it for you. You have successfully reported a bug in Jira. If this video has helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.